Welcome, guys, to the daily analysis for May 27th. So, yesterday we actually did end up breaking out of this consolidation, which stocks had already broken out on Friday, and QQQ and SPY followed through yesterday after the news that came out over the weekend. Was I expecting a couple more days inside the range and then a breakout? Yes, but at the same time, none of us did try to fight the breakout. Yesterday, price did not at any point come even in the neutral area. And even in the daily analysis, we had only discussed longs, all right, because the shorts were not even ready until we go below the neutral area. And for the most part, it was a choppy day. QQQ did give a long in the morning. SPY did not. SPY stayed in the overnight range. But overall, we are out of this consolidation. And I was very clear throughout the day to not take any shots because we broke out successfully. So why are you going to try and short this? Yesterday, we had this breakout consolidation at 9 MA box, and today we are gapping up higher, which is what we would expect, right? First higher high, higher low, and then boom. So that's what's happening so far. That's the overall context because we don't have any major news events today. We have tomorrow GDP and PCE, but for today, nothing important, and we are going into the month end. Now, structure for today, the neutral area is quite clear because it's a consolidation area of yesterday, right? So I would say from 731 all the way until 725, this area. If you guys remember, yesterday our levels were 725, 728, and 731. We had said above 725, we'll go to 728 and then 731. That's exactly what QQQ did and found some resistance to consolidate. Above 731, the next levels of importance are 734, followed by 737 and 740. So price is already above 734. If that acts as support, we can expect direct movement to 737 and after that 740. This is neutral. Again, shorts are not even play until we get below 725 area. What about SPY levels? Again, the consolidation area is pretty clear. You guys can see SPY was relatively weaker yesterday. So price didn't really give the long similar to QQQ. But overall, price came to around our resistance area of 752, and that's exactly where we found some form of stalling, and then price did stall. So 749 to 752, that's your neutral area for today. And you guys can see the lows were also near 749. We had a small dip, but nothing crazy. So that's your neutral area. Above 752, the next level of importance is 755 and then 758. Only, bears or sellers only come into play below 749. This thing is your neutral territory. So how do you try and scalp today?